Hello guys, this is me again. This is a tutorial about 2 layers fitting braid, full lining braid. As you see, my client has nice hair. Make sure that I comb the hair to detangle everything. And now I'm parting the hair into two because, as I say, I'm doing 2 layers cornrows, boss braid in the first layer and cornrows in the second layer. I'm gonna make sure that I'm parting the hair for the right amount that I need with the buzz ring and the right amount that I need with the cornrows. So then my hair doesn't come out bulky, everything lays flat and nice. I use a model hair, a pre-straight hair, 30 inches. I use a pre-straight hair because it's so easy for me to start braiding. I don't have to do nothing else. When I open the box for hair, I can just start braiding. And now I'm doing the cornrows. When you see the size of the cornrows that I'm doing the medium small boss braid because I don't want my hair to be bulky when I'm done. I want them to lay flat and nice, and I'm doing them very nicely and neat, so then the person can enjoy her hair for at least 2 months. So as I say, this is a small medium boss braid that I'm doing here that you can see. I stay a little bit long in this on this part because I want everybody to see how I plant my boss braid from the top to the end. Also, this is my boss braid. I'm done. I did not braid my hair all the way down because I like this procedure, meaning I like to plant my boss braid, finish everything and go back and braid it down. It's so easy for me to do it like that. Now I'm starting the second layer, meaning the cornrows, the feeding. Here I'm doing the medium size cornrows. So to feed in the hair, I'm starting from little as I'm going. The hair is getting increasing the hair, not a lot, just a little bit, so then I can still have my flat cornrows and it can still be the same size as a boss braid. So you need to pay attention. When I'm done with the cornrows, I still add on some hair, so then the ends should be the same size with the boss braid that I did, meaning the small medium boss braid, as I say. And again, when it comes to cornrows, you gotta be careful about how you part the hair, how you put the amount of hair, how you feed the hair in. Yes, basically that's all, because you don't want to jeopardize the style that the clients brought to you. You gotta pay attention how you are parting the hair, how the amount of the hair of the client that you are using, and the amount of the weave that you are feeding into the natural hair. So I'm gonna let you guys watch how I feed in my cornrows to get the size that I need. You see, I start with a little wave. Now I'm going like I'm increasing the wave little bit and little bit and little bit, and so then it can get to the medium size cornrows that I need. And at the end also I add on 1 or 2 times, so then I can get the medium size that I started, the medium small boss braid that I did on the first layer. So I'm letting you guys to watch a little bit this part. Yes, so when you part your hair, you gotta make sure that you have the right amount of hair that you are using, and hair that you are taking, all the cornrows that you are doing, either one we want to be bigger than the other one or smaller than the other one. We want to have. Now I'm done. I'm ready to dip the hair to seal the hand. Everybody know this part of the process. You gotta be careful with the hot water. You need to cover your client with a towel to protect her, and you need to have a towel in your hand also, and be careful. Don't get hurt by the hot water, and be careful also the way you are dipping the hair, so then you don't hurt your client either, because we're talking about hot water here. You gotta be very, very careful the way you are dipping the hair, because not everybody knows how to handle this part. So I had to make sure that my hair is properly dry. Now I'm gonna spray my client hair with this braid spray, which from Best African Best. I'm sorry, this braid spray have a conditioner, help you from itchiness and from dry scalp. And yeah, that's why I use this braid spray. I like that so much. I'm about to put a mousse on a braid, just because I want to give a shiny look to my braid, and I want my braids also to look smooth and I mean mostly shiny. I use this foaming mousse because it's alcohol free, and not only because it's alcohol free, I think that's the one that I like from the one that I've been buying. And anybody can use any kind of mousse. I use basically this mousse because it's alcohol free, and alcohol free is good on any type of braids and natural hair, because you don't want the braid to get frizzy real quick, and also alcohol is not good on natural hair. Now I'm about to dry my client's hands, because remember, I dip the hair in hot water and the hand are still wet. So I didn't want her to be outside and have her body wet. I mean her clothes wet. So this is all, my loves. Thank you so much for watching my video.